Have you ever stood in a room filled with things, yet felt a sense of emptiness inside? That quiet frustration, the silent overwhelm like life, has become too loud, too fast, too much? You're not alone. Many of us carry the invisible weight of clutter both in our homes and in our minds. What we often long for isn't just more space, but more peace. And maybe, just maybe, that peace lies in having less, not more. Japanese minimalism invites us to return to what truly matters. It whispers a gentle reminder that simplicity isn't lack its clarity. It's waking up to a space where every object has purpose and presence. It's walking into your kitchen or your bedroom and finally being able to breathe. Because the truth is, when we begin to clear our external clutter, we start clearing our inner chaos too. This is your chance to reset, not just your space, but your spirit. There's a quiet joy in knowing exactly where everything belongs. Japanese homes organization isn't just a system, it's a philosophy. It says this belongs here, not just for the sake of tidiness, but for the sake of the soul. Because when your space is in order, your mind naturally follows. Life feels calmer. Decisions feel clearer. The chaos begins to fade. Start small. Organize a single drawer, shelf, or corner. Give your belongings a home. Not to make things look perfect, but to make life feel lighter. The Japanese believe that by assigning a rightful place to each item, we give our minds fewer reasons to wander, worry, or feel overwhelmed. And with each little action, each item returned to its space, we reclaim a part of ourselves. A little more peace, a little more presence, a little more you. We often see cleaning as just another task on our to-do list. But in Japan, it's something more. It's a moment of mindfulness, a ritual of renewal. It's not about scrubbing floors or folding laundry. It's about caring for the space that holds your life. When you clean with intention, you're not just wiping dust, you're wiping away yesterday's stress, today's noise, and tomorrow's worries. Turn your cleaning into an act of love for yourself. Put on music that lifts your spirit, light a candle, breathe deeply, while each motion is a gesture of healing. As you bring order to your environment, you'll notice your mind beginning to follow. You'll feel the fog lift. You'll sense a quiet pride in reclaiming your surroundings. Because this practice, isn't just about a cleaner home, it's about creating a sanctuary where you can reconnect with who you are. In a world obsessed with more, Japanese minimalism teaches us the quiet power of just enough. It asks us to choose items not because they're trendy or expensive, but because they serve a purpose and bring joy. A chair isn't just a place to sit, it's a place to rest your body after a long day. A teacup isn't just a container, it's part of a calming ritual. Every item in your home should work for your life, not against it. You don't need a Pinterest-perfect home, what you need is meaning. Choose objects that feel right, that simplify your day, and that make you smile when you see them. Functional design is about being intentional about choosing less, but choosing better. And when every object carries purpose, you stop living in a storage unit and start living in a space that reflects your soul. Your home becomes a partner in your happiness, not a burden you carry. In Japan, gratitude is everywhere. Before a meal, there's a soft itadakamasu, a thank you for the food, the hands that made it, the life it came from. After the meal, gochi suzama deshita, thank you for the nourishment. It's in the small moments that gratitude lives, and it's in those moments that joy is found. The Japanese don't wait for big wins to feel thankful. They understand that a full heart comes from appreciating the smallest of things. What if you started your day with 3 simple gratitudes? The scent of your morning coffee, the hug from your child, the way the sunlight dances through your window. This isn't just a feel-good practice, it's a life-changing mindset. Gratitude shifts your perspective from what's lacking to what's already overflowing. It reminds you that you are rich, not in things, but in moments. The more you notice the beauty in the present, the more beauty your life begins to hold. Japanese minimalism isn't about having an empty home. It's about having a full life full of meaning, purpose, and peace. It's about choosing intentionally, living mindfully, and letting go of what no longer serves you. This lifestyle is a quiet rebellion against chaos. A declaration that you want less noise, more stillness, less consumption, more connection, less stress, more soul. So, which principle will you start with today? Organizing your space, treating cleaning as care, practicing daily gratitude. You don't have to do it all at once. Just take one step. It's one drawer, one corner of your life. Progress, not perfection. Every time you choose simplicity, you choose clarity. Choose yourself. You create space physically and emotionally for the life you were meant to live. And when you live lightly, you love more deeply. That's the beauty of minimalism. It doesn't just change your home, it transforms your heart.